I'm feeling. I got this ooh, some do, some do. I gotta do this meditation. I'm fine, my heart spark in this nature to take my breath away to show I'm in control. I'm doing a rhyme, a poem of my heart. Scrove into it, taking in vain this nature of meditation in touch with your feelings and emotion running through your mind, knowing this nature, this icon of love, this passion of a figure taking away your heart, knowing your heart is skipping a beat, to know this meditation when you go out into the wild. Find your hotspot and know you're there. Taking and losing this vision to nature, out of body experience, my pulse, pumping blood, flow into the mind. This mind needs the flow of the meditation to know this passion with nature in touch, to know this way of the mind taken away, getting seduced by this nature from the eyes to the heart, to know this meditation, how far it will go to relieve your soul of this and that and this negative. You got to know the flow of nature, the wind blowing with the light, every shadow, every description. If you knew how this went, how I feel enlightened, the flow of the mind, breath taken away. If you know when you're asleep, you know it's happening. At work, you're dreaming, so positive to see. Wake up with my honey to find the hot spot, to know that G spot, and know that ecstasy of that meditation into the mind, into the body, this rhyme, this freestyle taking over, this freedom of the mind, taking and holding your breath, breathing exercises to know you're speechless is taken away, and you're listening to this nature where your heart is scribing with a heartbeat in vain, going all the way, staying for hours. Was it minutes or seconds? Oh no, it wasn't. I stayed there a whole day, loving this nature. My lady next to me noticed reality taking over their mind. A much love you see. Open your mind and let it nature take over. To know you're taking your breath, your heart. To know this out of body experiment of enlightenment. If you knew the style to stand there, to hold your lover next to you, when you do the style of meditation, to know your heart is breathing this in with this rhyme and this poem written in the stars. It takes your breath right around. Pump once again.